What's happening, you ugly bunch of people? We're back at it again at my home territory, Crave Weights and Fitness. We are going to be attempting today the famous, the one and only Tom Plaz'S leg day. So this is going to consist of stupid amounts of sets. Got my favourite training partner. You're going to see him later. He's hidden in the corner. And we've got the madman behind the camera again. Links in the description. I'm not going to say no names. You're going to have to find them yourself, people. And it's basically going to consist of just a lot of training volume. So Tom likes to do like 20 sets. We're going to attempt to do 12 sets of barbell squats, then 7 sets of hack squats, then 7 sets of leg extensions, then 7 sets of calf raises, then another 7 sets of calf, until we vomit. That's it. Let's just see how it goes. So, Tom doesn't do this in his exercise. This is something that I do just beforehand. Obviously, the big bunda machine and the I'm not gay machine. So, I'll just drive out, making sure to open up my hip flexors and engage abduction, basically. So then when I go into the barbell back squats, which is something that we don't usually do, I should be okay. I'm quite a deep squatter as well, but that's that. What's happening? So, bumped into my boy, the bodybuilding banker, aka Soul.
Yeah. Thank you, bro. It's the boy, the lad for Soul, aka the bodybuilding banker. I'm 4 weeks out from my first men's physique show. I'll be doing the UK DFBA. It's a bit of a handful, but looking forward to it. These guys have been great. Like, prep is a different kettle of fish. The dieting, the eating, the training, but it's all good. I probably learned more in prep than I have in 8 years of gymming, so looking forward to it and looking forward to our session.
Yeah, so we are scheduled for a session. It will happen. Just trying to be smart because I don't want to kill him off before his show. So remember this face. Yeah. It is coming, all right? Peace. Say again. So working set for me, I think I'm gonna do, for you Americans out there, either 225 or 315, which is 100 to 140 kilos, with the intention of 10 to 12 sets for 20 reps. Are you gonna do that? Are you gonna do that?
I'm gonna try 2 plates. I don't usually barbell squat. I normally use this one here, the hack squat.
Yeah, neither do I, but that is in the plan today.
You got to shock the muscle, ain't ya? So we're gonna shock the muscle, do 2 plates, see how we get on. If I die, I die. It is what it is. It's fine.
I walk a lonely road, the only one that I have ever known.
Oh, you got 3 more, don't you dare.
Fuck that.
You bitch.
Fuck that, bro.
I've got nothing left. I've got nothing left.
Not on set 1, bro.
Bitch move.
Not on set 1.
Nah, we've got 9 more.
That's fine, that's
I'm
why.
not having that. I'm not having that.
It goes, but it's home to me and I walk alone. I walk this empty street on the boulevard of broken dreams, where the city sleeps and I'm the only one and I walk alone. I walk alone, I walk alone.
Oh, God. That's how that translates into a good set. So, first set, 15 reps. Second set, 20 reps. I'm gonna try and maintain 20 reps the whole way through. 2 sets down, 8 to go. God save me.
My shadow's only one that walks beside me. My shallow heart's the only thing that's beating. Sometimes I wish someone out there will find me. Till then, I walk alone.
Get up, keep going.
I'm walking down the line that divides me somewhere in my mind, on the borderline of the
Deeper, come on. Lower. This is half reps. There you go. That's it. Good, come on. Drive. Yes. There's no way Tom Platz, fuck it, Trent Twin said it the best, yeah? Only Tom Platz does this shit. There's no way anyone else can do this. Oh, come on. He's on borderline vomit control. Look at him, look at him, look. He's going. I hope not. You're just gonna, bro, Tom, what are you doing to us? What are you doing to us? What you doing, lad? He's done. I win. So I've done 6 sets. He's done. All right, so D's tapping out at 6 sets. So I've done, as you can see, yeah, you've done about 100 reps. I've done 6 sets, 15, 20, 19, 10, 10, 10. I'm still gonna do another 4. I ain't tapping out. I ain't no bitch.
Don't drink and do a Tom Platz fucking leg day, kid. Don't do it. Hang on, don't even do it when you don't drink. Don't even do it when you don't drink. But definitely don't do that when you've had a drink, which I've definitely not done. I don't know what to do. I can't sit, I can't stand.
Lie on that, put your legs up, it was well nice. So, I've got 3 sets left. I'm gonna do a triple drop set because I want this to be over. So, 100 on the bar, take a plate off, take another plate off. I'm gonna try 5, 10, failure, and then on to the next exercise.
I'm a fighter. I'm a fighter.
I'm throwing fire, 'cause I'm a fighter. I am a tiger, the leash. I'm making thunder when I breathe. I let the sweat pour over me. I'm throwing fire, 'cause I'm a fighter. 'Cause I'm a fighter. I'm throwing fire, 'cause I'm a fighter.
Always ready for war. Never back down until I settle the score. The purple heart in me is the reason I won't fold. Never sell out my band of brothers to break code. The oath is the soul of a man, you gotta feel it. You gotta want it so bad until you live it. To survive in the battle, you gotta kill. I look death in the face before I kneel, I'm a fighter.
I am a tiger, the leash. I'm making thunder when I breathe. I let the sweat pour over me. I'm throwing fire, 'cause I'm a fighter. 'Cause I'm a fighter. I'm throwing fire, 'cause I'm a fighter.
Yeah, I live forever as a legend. I speak the truth like a reverend. Like a king, not a peasant. I use my virtue as a weapon. My mind on a mission, my soul to pay attention. This is what I'm built for, this is my intention. I've seen it all cause I lived it. Yeah, and I won't stop until I get it, I'm a fighter.
I am a tiger, the leash. I'm making thunder when I breathe. I let the sweat pour over me. I'm throwing fire, 'cause I'm a fighter. 'Cause I'm a fighter. I'm throwing fire, 'cause I'm a fighter.
I'll fight for my right. I was made for this life. You either do or you
You didn't get any of that. Little pussy said. He said he's definitely gonna vomit today. I mean,
I reckon I'm vomiting today.
yeah. I mean, after this we've got a shoot as well. So, good luck to us. And I don't get one thing that I don't get is, well, I do get it. Free weight movement is a lot more engaging on your core. So, I'm trying not to vomit. It's a lot more engaging on your core. So, hack squat, to be honest with you, I feel fine doing this. But it's the gastric reflux because the food's going, hello, hello, hello.
no compromise.
I'll never take this war of pain off of my face, no.
Never.
I'm a fighter, yeah. 'Cause I'm a fighter. I am a tiger, the leash. I'm making thunder when I breathe. Let the sweat pour over me. I'm throwing fire, 'cause I'm a fighter. Said I'm a fighter. I'm a fighter. Said I'm a fighter, yeah. I'm throwing fire, 'cause I'm a fighter.
Little quarter reps. Jesus Christ. Right, we're still alive, we're still going. We're still here, whoa. I've had to locate the bin on every single floor. Every exercise we're doing, I'm like, right, where's the bin, where's the bin? I've got close like once or twice, he got close as well, giving it all the fucking big un, yeah? But so far we're good.
How do you get 5 more reps out of Durmus? You pull his leg out.
Yeah, can. He's gonna go home and put that in his little jar. Yeah, buddy.
I'm not gonna say no to Rice Krispies, but
Hey, you better not throw it back up all over me. You're not you when you're hungry.
this is food me for another 10 cents. Fine, that's sticky. So just about to do some calf raises, and we're just setting up on the machine now because it's very important to train your calves.
Oh, that feels good. Oh, really good calf raise.
See, I can really feel the contraction. They do look bigger, don't they? You're not lying to me, are you? You wouldn't lie to me. Okay.
Kilo calf raise, no warm up, it's fine. It's fine. It's smart. It's all right.
Come on, there's no weight on it. There's no weight on it, blood. Come on. Come on.
All the blood's in my quads, that's why. So I can't get a calf pump, unfortunately, for this, but yeah. Do you know what? My calves are getting bigger just watching him.
So that's a wrap. Tom Platz'S leg day. Gonna be honest, yeah, it's disgusting. So the barbell squats were the ones that definitely took it out of us. Lower back pump was absolutely disgusting. I completed it. They didn't, but is where it is. When it comes to the hack squat afterwards, I'll be honest, we kind of took it a bit half-assed on that one. Only one plate, more of a stretch, let the lower back kind of relax, and then all the accessory works you can see after. But that's everything. That's a wrap of the video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Almost 100 subscribers, literally 5 away. So if you want to see my ugly mug more, click the subscribe button right here, and we'll get going. These links to his channel all going to be in my description as well. And that's a wrap, people. Peace.